AUM increased by 11.98% to 49.66 lakh crore rupees. Improvement in 13th month persistency, both on premium and policy basis. Solvency ratio increased to 1.93 from 1.85. The Board of Directors of LIC approved and adopted the standalone and consolidated financial results for the 9 months ending 31st December 2023. And these are the key highlights. The profit after tax for the 9 months period ended 31st December 2023 was 26,913 crores. The current period profit includes an amount of 21,461 crore net of tax pertaining to the accretions on the available solvency margin transferred from non-par fund to shareholders' account. The PAT for similar 9 months period ended 31st December 2022 was 22,970 crores, is not comparable since it includes an amount of 4,542 crores net of tax pertaining to the accretions on the available solvency margin for the last quarter of FY 21-22, which was transferred from non-par fund to shareholders' account on 30th September 2022. In terms of market share measured by first year premium income, as per IRDAI, LIC continues to be the market leader by market share in India life insurance business, with overall market share of 58.90%. For 9 months ended 31st December 2023, LIC had a market share of 38.74% in individual business and 72.24% in the group business. The total premium income for 9 months period ended 31st December 2023 was 3,22,776 crores as compared to 3,42,244 crores for the 9th month period ended 31st December 2022 during the previous year. The total individual business premium for the 9 months period ended December 31st, 2023 increased to 2,09,719 crore from 2,04,29 crores for the comparable period of previous year. The group business total premium income for 9 months ended December 31st, 2023 was 1,13,057 crores as compared to 1,41,815 crores for 9 months ended December 31st, 2022. A total of 1,25,56,046 policies were sold in the individual segment during the 9 months period ended 31st December 2023 as compared to 1,28,90,843 policies sold during the 9 months ended December 31st, 2022. On an annualized premium equivalent APE basis, the total premium was 35,790 crore for the 9 months period ended 31st December 2023. Of this, 65.67%, that is 23,503 crore, was accounted for by the individual business, and 34.33%, that is 12,287 crore, by the group business. With the individual business, the share of par products on AP basis was 85.96%, that is 20,203 crore, and balance 14.04%, that is 3,299 crore, was due to non-par products. The non-par APE has increased from 2,213 crore for the 9-month period ended 31st December 2022 to 3,299 crore for the 9-month period ended December 31st, 2023, registering a growth of 49.08%. Therefore, Our non-par share of individual AP, which was 9.45% for the 9-month period ended 31st December 2022, has grown to 14.04% for the 9-month period ended 31st December 2023. The value of new business VNB for the 9 months period ended 31st December 2023 was rupees 5,938 crores as compared to 5,478 crores for the 9 months ended 31st December 2022, registering a growth of 8.40%. The net VNB margin for the 9 months period ended 31st December 2023 was 16.6% as compared to 14.6% for the 9 months ended 31st December 2022. The solvency ratio as on 31st December 2023 improved to 1.93% as against 1.85 on December 31st, 2022. For the 9 months ended December 31st, 2023, the persistency ratio on premium basis for the 13th month and 61st month were 78% and 62.40% respectively. The comparable persistency ratios for the corresponding 9 months ended December 31st, 2022 were 77.61% and 62.73% respectively. For the 9 months period ended 31st December 2023, persistency ratio on number of policy basis for 13th month and 61st month were 67.22% and 50.23% respectively. The comparable persistency ratios for the corresponding period ended 31st December 2022 were 64.99% and 51.42% respectively. Therefore, for the 13th month, the persistency has improved both on premium and number of policy basis. The asset under management AUM increased to 49,67,371 crores as on 31st December 2023 as compared to 44,34,940 crores as on 31st December 2022, registering an increase of 11.98% year on year. The overall expense ratio for the 9 months period ended 31st December 2023 was 15.28% as compared to 15.26% for the period ended December 31st, 2022. The yield on investments on policyholders' funds, excluding unrealized gains, was 9.14% for 9 months period ended 31st December 2023 as against 8.58% for the period 31st December 2022. The net NPA in the policyholders fund was rupees 8.01 crores as on 31st December 2023 as compared to 10.94 crore as on December 31st, 2022. Our consistent and focused approach towards diversifying and changing our product mix is now yielding results at a faster pace. The same is evident in the rise in the share of non-par business on AP basis to 14.04% of our total individual business for the first 9 months of FY 2024. The fact that this is also accompanied by 200 basis points increase in the VNB margin levels to 16.6% is an indicator that our strategic interventions are delivering in the manner that we envisaged. We want to make sure that every action of ours is value accretive to all stakeholders. We will relentlessly pursue our targeted product and channel mix with the support of all our employees, agency force, and channel partners. We are committed to developing new products designed to meet the evolving needs of our customers. With our digital transformation project underway, we are confident of making significant improvements in our business processes. Thank you. We now invite questions, if any.
Thank you, sir. The floor is open for question and answers. Would request all participants to please limit your questions to 2 questions. So we have a request from Yash Jain from CNBC. He wants to clarify some numbers and then he will ask his question in the queue. Yash, you can clarify the number first.
Sir, just, for the betterment of understanding Q3 numbers year on year, I just want to clarify the numbers. Please correct me if I'm going wrong anywhere. These are quarterly numbers. As far as your total APE is concerned, that has grown at 7% year on year. Q3 number is 13,163 crore rupees, which compares to 12,317 crore rupees. Value of new business in third quarter is up 46%. The number is 2,634 crore rupees, which compares to 1,801 crore rupees. And finally, margin, it's coming at Q3 margin at 20.01%, which compares to 14.6% on a year-on-year basis. Are these 3 numbers on a quarterly basis all right?
You want Q3 on Q3?
Yes, sir. Q3 on Q3.
Yes. Sunil, the 9 months we have given. So, yes, just will tell. Q3 on Q3, 9 months ended, 3 months ended. This Q3. You have the yes. You tell correctly.
You want confirmation on the numbers.
You confirm the numbers. CFO will confirm, yes.
The numbers are comparable. The only PAT number for the 9 months, there is one clarification I think you already mentioned in the press
release.
Correct.
Yes.
Yeah.
Correct.
Footnote we have given.
You would have read that, yeah.
Correct. But otherwise, total APE, VNB and VNB margin, the numbers that I mentioned, quarterly Q3 versus Q3, are they correct?
Yes, the VNB margin is for the quarter 20%, as you rightly mentioned.
Okay. Total APE is up 7% and VNB is up 46%.
Yeah.
Just check.
Yeah. Right. It's 13,163 against 12,317.
Correct. Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Great numbers, by the way. I will join the question queue again for my question. Thank you so much, sir, for clarifying.
We'll have Mr. Kumar Dipankar from PTI.
Yeah. Good evening, sir. Congratulations on good set of numbers. I just want to understand, you in Q3 you launched 3 products, and going forward, what is the plan? As you mentioned that the new products are yielding good results. And second question is that recently ITAT has ordered refund of some 25,000 crore back to LIC. I just wanted to understand the status of that.
See, as we committed earlier, our product range, it caters to the evolving need of our customers. And recently, we have launched 2 products, Jivan Utsav and Jivan Dhara 2, which are getting very much traction in the market and showing result, and that is also evident in our December result also, if you see margin and everything. So yes, they have helped in that. Going forward, there are some products for children very soon we will be launching in child segment. And also I can share, we have also made upward revision in some of our products which are annuity product like Jivan Akshay, Jivan Santi, and even single premium product Dhanvriddhi also we have made upward revision in the return. So all these things, if you look into, those are getting total traction. People are taking interest, and December onwards, market is a bit favorable for us.
Right, sir.
As regards the income tax refund, we are actively following up. Hopefully, very soon we will receive it.
Even to cater to market need, because now growing stock market. So very recently we have launched our ULIP, very unique ULIP product, LIC's Index
So that
Plus. And on
Yes,
first day, more than 11,000 policies we got.
Okay. And on the IT refund, you are expecting in Q4?
Yes, hopefully before March we should get it.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Nikunj Johri from Reuters.
Good evening, sir. Wanted one clarification in your fund, the numbers that you've shared for fund transfer. You're saying that the quarterly numbers are not comparable. You said you've also shared the number for the amount that was transferred in for March 22. Is that a typo, or why are you sharing that number here? One, and also we've seen that you've been transferring this quite regularly now. So I wanted to ask you, what is the better way to compare? Like last time you had asked us to remove the fund transfer amount while calculating year-on-year growth in profit. So do we do the same? And one more question I would want to ask you on the fallout of Zee and Sony deal. We've heard that many investors collectively want to remove the board members of the Zee group. So
Nikunj, can we stick to the results, please?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd still ask my question, but is that something that investors collectively are planning to do?
I'll answer the first question regarding comparative numbers. The corporation has also mentioned in our notes to the annual results since September 2022. We have changed our accounting policy with effect from September 30th, 2022, wherein the income on the available solvency margin was accruing to the shareholder because it pertains to the non-par segment and it was transferred to the shareholder. And in that year, it was effective from 1st Jan, which was Q4 of FY22. So therefore, the last year results carry 1 quarter extra worth of income, which is amounting to 4,542 crore. And therefore, we every time when we request the media and the analysts to remove that to make it a comparable figure. So this 4,542, it's not a typo. It's a accounting policy change that happened in last September. So in September, the 3 quarters were included. A quarter four of previous year was also included, and it continues to be included in the 9-month December results as well. So that needs to be knocked off while comparing the year-on-year profit. I hope I clarified your question. So
if we remove the fund transfer amount, the December 22 numbers would be 665 crore versus 17,1752 crore this quarter.
No, you have to remove it only from 9 months, not from the quarter, because Q4 is comparable. 9 months is not comparable because this happened in the month of September. So YTD 9 months is not comparable, but Q4 is Q3 is comparable.
Anurag Shah from ET.
And also the second question, please.
Okay.
Sony. No, we have Sony. We don't have any.
We don't have any
exposure
or any suggestion like that. What is being asked?
We do not know why LIC's name coming to this deal.
We don't. We have no.
The market has not.
As such, no, we have not. As an investor, we have not done anything like that.
We don't have anything in Sony.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Anurag Shah.
नमस्ते सर। पहले तो अभी शुरुआत में तो सर पूरा सारे मेंबर दिख रहे थे, अभी किसी को भी देख नहीं पा रहे सर। सर सबसे पहले तो बधाई सर, जब भी हम देख रहे हैं ये एक कोइंसिडेंस है क्या, जब भी आपकी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस होने वाली होती है उससे कुछ देर पहले ही प्रधानमंत्री LIC की बहुत तारीफ करते हैं। 10 अगस्त में भी हमने देखा था, अब भी देखा, तो ये क्या सहयोग है या प्रयोग है, और इससे कितना एक तरह से टारगेट मिल जाता है? Sir, this was on a lighter note, so we'll come to my question, sir. As we can see in the 9-month result that now your par and non-par product mix has reached up to 85 to 15%. So can we see going ahead you will be targeting 80-20 or 75-25, and we can see that more new non-par product launches also you're planning? And so in continuation to last time the target you have said in your interview also that by January 2024 you will be starting your fintech arm. So now that target is in this financial year only, or will it shift to next financial year?
नहीं, सबसे पहले तो मैं माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का बहुत आभार प्रकट करता हूं, क्योंकि उनका जो संदेश है सब LIC के सारे जो हमारे एम्प्लॉइज है, एजेंट्स है, कस्टमर्स है, सबके लिए बहुत ही एनकरेजिंग है और इसके लिए बहुत आभार। जहां तक हमारी बात है, हम लोग देखिए कंटिन्यूअसली काम कर रहे हैं। जो आपने बताया, जो हमने कमिटमेंट किया था, जो शेयर ऑफ नॉन पार AP, उसमें भी आप देखिए ग्रोथ हो रहा है, मार्जिन में भी ग्रोथ हो रहा है, और जो भी हमने देखा कमिटमेंट किया है, यू जस्ट ऑब्जर्व एवरीथिंग इज इन लाइन विथ आवर कमिटमेंट। वी हैव मेड कॉन्शियस डायरेक्शनल चेंज इन आवर अप्रोच टू बिजनेस, which is yielding result, which is yielding margin, all those things. There are certain ups and downs in certain areas, but that also will be taken care of.
Thank you, sir. Shilpi Sinha from
Sir, no, sir has not answered my second question about the fintech arm. Sir previously said
fintech,
about.
I will just share, because now we have undertaken a project DIVE, Digital Innovation and Value Enhancement. This is the project, a digital transformation project. BCG is our partner, and every time board is also reviewing the progress. And last 3 months they have studied, gap analysis has been done, milestone they have identified, now vendor selection, all these are all processes. So in due course, definitely whatever commitment we have given, that will be fulfilled, and it is a huge project. It is not a 1 day or 1 month project. It is over 18 months to 2 years project, and a result will come in between, and a final result when project ends, definitely all will benefit, all stakeholders will benefit.
So we'll have Shilpi Sinha from Economic Times.
Yes. Sir, good evening. I have 2 questions. One is on the profit numbers. If you can just, I know it will sound a repetition, but I'll still read out the numbers. For the quarter, should we say the profit 9,444 versus 6,334? Is that the right comparison?
Yes.
Okay. And then this is a 50% jump in profit that we are seeing, right?
Yes. 46 point something.
Okay. And the profit, you would say, is attributed to what factors?
Profit is attributed to operational profit, which is coming from the regular business, plus the income on the ESM fund and the shareholders fund.
Okay. If I have to look at your first year premium, that is down, and your commissions are up, as in your expense of management is also up from 12 to 15. Is this due to competition, and what is LIC doing about it?
Yeah, if you see, because of commission is as per product, because commission varies from product to product, and agents, even if business has gone down during this period, and mainly we could not garner group business, but despite that, if you see that negative has also come down as against Q2, Q3 minus has been lessened, lower, and but good products, because the agents are selling where high commission is there. But if you see our last product, which I mentioned, Jiban Utsav, this is such a unique product where we have taken care of everybody. First, we have taken care of customer. It gives best return, best in the market today. At the same time, we have also taken care of our intermediaries and also shareholder, because the margin is also there. So figure of commission going up and total top line going down will not make any difference, because it depends upon which product line we are selling. So that is that. And our non-single premium, because non-single, if you see earlier quarters, it was much less, share was much less. There has been tremendous improvement in last quarter, Q3 non-single, and non-single, you know, commission rate is higher. So that is another reason for which commission has also gone up.
Okay. So you also met your margin targets, right? You set up your target and now you've reached 16.6%. How is Q4 looking like, both for AP and for margins?
You see, actually, exact figure we should not guess, but looking to present momentum, definitely there will be improvement upon whatever we have delivered now. I am very optimistic there will be positive improvement upon present figures.
Thank you, Shilpi. So we have a question from Mr. K.R. Srivatsa from Hindu Business Line. He has messaged me the question. His question is, how much stock market gains did LIC make in Q3? How does it compare to Q3 of previous fiscal?
Total profit, equity profit booked from the stock market has 7% growth over the corresponding period last year, in spite of heavy profit booking in the earlier quarters.
So could you share the absolute numbers, please?
Absolute number, normally it varies.
Yeah.
Growth is there.
It has shown growth.
Beg your pardon, sir, I'm not able to hear you there.
7% growth is there over last year.
Quarter on quarter.
That is Q3 over Q3 of last fiscal.
Yeah, Q3 of current fiscal over Q3 of last fiscal, it is showing around 7% growth in equity profit booking from the stock.
7%.
Okay. Can there be an absolute number shared on what is the gain made?
That absolute number normally varies. Normally don't internal. That is included in all our financials. We don't make any distinction from which. Yeah.
Is it part of your net investments which you have disclosed?
Yes.
Okay. And sir, one small question to Mr. Mohanty. Sir, you spoke about, I mean, these are great numbers. How confident are you in sustaining this performance in the coming quarters as well?
You see, this is just beginning. And you see a lot of scope for improvement is still there on certain areas. And we are working hard on it, and definitely it will be sustainable in coming days.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Sir Ravi Kumar from the Hindu, followed by Siddhi Naik.
Good evening, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, thanks, sir. Just one question related to your board approval for this equity participation in the company, sir. Could you throw some more light on what exactly is this company and who are the other partners that you will have in this?
Which company?
This one-stop electronic platform for the life, health, and general insurance needs.
Oh, that Bima Sugam you are telling.
Yeah, yes, sir. So,
Bima Sugam will obviously be integral part of that. LIC will also be part of Bima Sugam because that is the electronic platform for promoting marketing all products, life, general health, all. So we are part of that. We are also part of various committees formed by regulator to take it forward. We are already working on that.
What is the indication, sir? When will the Bima Sugam be up and running?
Actually, regulator will tell exactly, but whatever we know, there will be some regulation will come. So, okay. But it is now in a very formative stage, and it is going to happen.
And will this only be for the products that IRDA has also proposed, as in those Bima products, or will it be for everything?
Once things evolve, clarity will be there, more clarity will be there. It is now formative stage. Company will be formed.
Okay.
comprising all the insurers. All insurers will be shareholder in that company. Then they will have their board. Board will take decision. Then there will be regulation. IRD regulation will come. All those things.
Okay. And one more question, sir. In continuation of your reply to the previous answer, you said these numbers are just the beginning, and there is a lot of scope for improvement in certain areas.
Yeah.
Pardon me, sir. So,
yes.
Would you like to elaborate on what are the areas that you will be focusing going forward in terms of bolstering your performance?
And all we have started a product line, product mix, channel mix, and a technology. Broadly, these are the 3 areas on which we will make a continuous improvement. Not that it will improve and stop, a continuous improvement will be there. These 3 areas. Broadly.
Okay, fine. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Siddhi. Siddhi Naik.
Hi, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, please.
Hi, sir. I just wanted to ask you about you spoke about your equity investments. I wanted to ask you about your debt investment outlook. Now that in FY25 we may see the RBI cutting rates, how would your investments in the debt market pan out? Would you be looking at increasing investment in the longer term securities? How would that pan out?
You see, debt market also we are very active. Particularly, you leave apart GSEC and others, but corporate debt bonds, and we make improvement upon previous year. Whatever was there investment, already we have surpassed that figure. And going forward, whatever may be the interest rate, because we have to operate in market, we are long-term player. We have asked recently, Finance Commission have suggested 50 years paper to RBI. And we have already got 40 years papers. So all these improvement will be in line with whatever happening in the market, in the debt market.
Jinit Parmar from Money Control.
Hi, sir. Hi. I only have one question. So just wanted to see that is there any like existing partnerships that you have with Paytm? Just this question.
We don't have anything. Partnership.
Gateway. We are using the gateway as one among the gateways that we employ for online collections.
Okay. Noted. Okay. That's all. Thanks.
Hope clear, Jinit. Mr. Kumud Das.
Am I audible?
Yes, Kumud.
Good evening. Good evening, sir. My warm congratulations, sir, for the marvelous result.
Thank you.
Sir, my first question is, have you got any capital from government?
For what?
Capital, sir, for your capital requirements.
For what?
Capital requirement. No, any kind of requirement, sir. Do you need or you are doing managing on your own?
Why you are thinking we need capital?
Sir, because
I want we provide capital. We are providing capital to others.
Oh, great. Yes. Sir, my second question is, what is your total investment in equities and profit you have made, sir, so far?
Around, I think, 30 lakh crore hoga na? Our total equity investment.
30 lakh crore.
No. Equity to the tune of around the book value of 7 lakh crores.
But
7 lakh crores, sir.
Yeah, the book value with the robust growth.
Yes, sir. Robust growth. Yes, sir. And how much profit you said? Investment was 7 lakh crore. How much profit you made, sir?
Sir, our profit booking is as per the need of the different funds, and we are on the right path. And
sir, numbers
is already there, and yeah.
Yeah, total investment income for the quarter was 95,267 crores.
Okay, got it. My last question, sir. Have FIIs started buying your shares?
Sanjay. It is observed. Sanjay, FIIs, yes. FIIs have started buying share, na? Some FIIs. Institutions are buying, mutual funds and others.
I think, Kumud, I think you in some time we'll disclose our shareholding pattern on December 31st on the exchanges. Category will be available.
Yes, sir.
So it will be unwise on our to preempt a corporate disclosure beforehand. But in that you will be able to see the change of the category.
Yeah.
What is moving, what is going up, what is you will see that.
Okay. Once again, sir, my warm congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you, Gumati ji.
From Informist Media.
Hi, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yeah,
Mention your
thank you,
name
sir.
first, please.
Yeah, Richard here from Informist Media. Sir, can you share your debt equity holding ratio? How much is the total investment? 49.66 trillion your investment book is. So how much is in debt and how much is equity? Can you share a ratio?
You have seen the overall AUM of a corporation, and around 25% as far as the market value is concerned comprises equity. Rest is in sovereign bonds and corporate bonds and liquid bonds.
Okay, so 25% equity, 75% debt.
Yeah, almost.
The second question, sir, how much you're open to invest in the green bonds corporates?
Last year also
we have already started investing green bond, and so far we have invested in both the options. We have participated and we have got allotments. It's just the beginning, and we have invested around 30% of the option.
Sorry, sir, I missed what? How much? 30% off?
The auction, total auction size.
Okay. And sir, if you allow me, do you hold any investment in AIFs?
Yeah,
AIF also.
We have got a small investment, but there is a concept paper, and very soon we'll be keen to invest more in this AIFs. Suitable AIFs.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Siddhi, I can see your hand raised. Is there any further question that you have?
No, I'm good. No.
Nikunj, your hand was raised. If you want to ask one last question.
Yeah, sir, just wanted you to repeat the equity investments part, and just a suggestion, sir. Your video is off. We can't understand whether you are saying or the reporter is saying. So there's a lot of disturbance in this call. We can't understand if it's you who's speaking or the reporter who's speaking or some of the other top management members. So would request you for that, and so that we know who's speaking and we can write it accordingly.
And we are able to hear you clearly, but we are not able to see you. Whether it is for all who are not able to see us or only for Nikunj.
Video is off.
Video is off. Video is off.
So we have kept the video off. So we have kept the video off because last time there was some issue with regards to some media person recorded it. Nikunj, that was the reason the video is kept off.
So it's just a suggestion. It's very difficult to make attribute who's speaking, and especially when the equity question was asked, like I couldn't understand whether it was the reporter speaking or some of the management members.
Right, LIC management person. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. I would like to repeat it. I am PD investment as well as the CEO of the corporation. So as far as the market value is concerned, our equity is around 25% of the total AUM. 25%.
Okay, you shared some number also, sir. 13 or 30 lakh crore. I don't know what was that. Whether it was.
It's not 30 lakh crores. Equity investment market value is around 25% of the total AUM of 49.66.
Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Yash, you have any following question?
Okay, am I audible?
Yes.
Just one question, sir, as far as the margins are concerned. Of course, you had spoken about the fact that after the listing that you will achieve on par margins with private players much before they achieve them after listing. You're almost there, about 20% there. One thing that I wanted to understand, do you expect margins now that you've come to this point? Do you expect them to remain over 20%, minus the exceptional quarters that we have otherwise? Do you expect them this margins at around 20+% to continue? And second thing, what is the aim now? You moved with one particular target of margin expansion. You shifted your product mix accordingly, which has given you returns. You've reached there. Now, what's the big target going forward as far as the margin performance is concerned?
Yes, I think I have already replied this question.
Okay, sorry, I missed that.
So since there has been directional change, our product line has already changed.
Correct.
So we are launching product which will take care of all the stakeholders, not only shareholders, but first customers, then shareholders, then our intermediaries and all others. And 2 months before we launched Jivan Utsav, that is giving good margin. In future also good products will come. And definitely whatever margin you have seen today, because whatever I committed last year, already we have achieved it. And going forward, definitely there will be improvement on this.
Okay, so can I take it as margins around 20% now becomes a benchmark?
That figure I cannot and I should not tell that figure.
Okay.
Time will tell. Time will tell. You observe what we are doing.
Sure, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I think we can end the question answer session here. The press interaction ends here. Thank you very much for your participation.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you for your precious time. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.